We're joined today by Dorian, Nicol, Dusty, CEO of Blue Thunder Mining. They're an exploration, acquisition, and development company in Canada with main assets in James Bay, Quebec. So, Dusty, tell us, what differentiates you from other exploration companies?
Well, I think the main thing is we're a very Quebec-focused exploration company. We have a large land position, the Moose Project in northern Quebec near the Chibougamau area. It's geologically one of the best places in the world to be looking for gold. We're adjacent to and on strike with IAMGOLD's Nelligan multi-million ounce gold deposit. We're also adjacent to and on strike with the structure that hosts IAMGOLD's Monster Lake deposit, which is somewhat smaller but phenomenally higher grade. Any exploration geologist will tell you that the second best place to look for gold is along a gold-bearing structure. The best place to look for gold is at the intersection of two gold-bearing structures, which is where we are. Another adage of the exploration business is the best place to look for a deposit is near another deposit. So with our proximity to both Nelligan and Monster Lake, with our favorable geology, I think that we're in a very fertile environment. We have several years of work that we've done compiling data, and I think we're poised to make a discovery this field season or perhaps next.
Right, that's amazing. You did speak about IAMGOLD. You've had a recent transaction with them. Can you expand on that?
Yes, they made a strategic investment in Blue Thunder late in 2023. They invested $500,000 in the company. As happy as I was, of course, to take IAMGOLD's money, what's even more significant to us is the technical collaboration with their team. No one knows that part of the world in terms of gold exploration and gold metallurgy like the IAMGOLD team. We formed a technical committee to work with them. We've already been exchanging information and ideas. As I said, the money is, of course, useful, and we'll be spending it in the field as agreed. But the most important part of this collaboration is the technical collaboration and the access to the IAMGOLD knowledge base in the area.
Right, 100%. And in terms of what is to come with those investments in 2024, what are the main milestones that Blue Thunder will hit or will be doing?
The idea is to resume drilling later this year. What we're doing right now is compiling and interpreting data. We have years of exploration data from the work that has been done at Moose. We're compiling it now after geophysics, geochemistry, the geology, our drilling data. We'll be meeting again with IAMGOLD probably within a month to discuss what that means and what the best targets are. We'll possibly do a little bit more geophysics this year in the Lac Bernard area. And then our objective will be to be drilling probably by late summer or autumn of 2024.
Right, sounds good. And for specifically the Moose property you have, can you comment on the potential for discovery there? Like, was the potential something you could find?
Yeah, I mean, I think that the most obvious target to look for there is a Nelligan type target. We're on the same deformation zone or major structural zone that controls Nelligan. We're in the same rocks. I think we have the same type of alteration. Our last drill hole of 2022 was in Lac Bernard. We were drilling a target under a glacial anomaly. It was golden glacial till, one of the highest anomalies ever found in Quebec. We didn't intersect significant gold, but we did intersect very intense acidic alteration, which IAMGOLD have now confirmed is the alteration that occurs in between the ore chutes at Nelligan. So that's bolstered my belief that a Nelligan type target can be found under Moose. Other targets to look for there are higher grade orogenic type gold deposits in the northeast. And interestingly, when I was on the property in 2022, I saw some volcanic rocks and massive chalcopyrite in float and an outcrop in the northeast part of the license area. That makes me think there may be gold, copper, massive sulfide potential. So I would say the target rankings there are first a Nelligan type gold, second a Monster Lake type gold, and very, very shortly, very, very little behind that, massive sulfide copper gold.
Right. Well, we're wishing you and all the team all the best. One more question before we end is, what's your overall view on the market, the current mining market, and where it's going in 2024?
That's a good question, and it's hard to answer without a slight feeling of illness. Everyone knows what a difficult market it is. It's just terrible. I've been doing this 49 years. What's bizarre to me is in my 49 years, I've seen equity markets as bad as they are now, but I've never seen equity markets nearly as bad as they are now in the context of metals prices like we have right now. And we have gold has gone up in the last 2 days. It's gone up significantly. Silver's gone up. Copper, all of the so-called critical metals are at highs or near highs. So I think there's a certain amount of fatigue in the investing public that it needs to get past. But I'm confident that with time, quality stories like Blue Thunder and other juniors will become favored again, because there's still no faster way to increase wealth than on the exploration curve.
Totally. All right, Dusty. It was great to have you on our interview today, and wishing you all the best. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much.